Cooking quiz question number 1. What is the main ingredient in a bread? Option A, flour. Which oil is most commonly used in Italian cooking? That's right, olive oil. What is the term for cooking food in a small amount of fat? Saute or sauteing. Which herb is traditionally used in pesto sauce? Option B, basil. What temperature is considered the danger zone for bacterial growth in food? (41 to 135 Fahrenheit). Which grain is used to make risotto? Rice. What is the French term for a mixture of butter and flour used to thicken sauces? B. Option B. Question number 8. What is the process of partially cooking food in boiling water called? Blanching. Which knife is typically used for peeling and trimming? Option B, paring knife. What type of pasta is shaped like little rice grains? Option A. What ingredient makes bread rise? That's easy. I'm sure that everyone out of you would guess. Yeast. Number 12. What is the Japanese term for grilled meat skewers? D. What type of sugar is used for making caramel? Granulated sugar. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? Again, a very easy question for the cooking lovers. Chickpeas. Question number 15, 10 more to go. Keep on watching. What is the term for cooking food slowly in liquid at a low temperature? Simmering. Which vitamin is most abundant in citrus fruits? Vitamin C. Here is your question number 17. Avocado. Question number 18. Puffy pastry. Which spice is known as Queen of Spices? Cardamom. What is used to glaze a pie crust? Egg wash. Which type of rice is used for sushi? Short grain rice. What is the Italian word for to the tooth describing pasta doneness? Option B. 2 more to go. Which kitchen tool is used to whip cream? Whisk. Second last. What is the base ingredient in bechamel sauce? Butter and flour. The last question. What is the most commonly used spice in Indian cooking? Turmeric.